bring it out into the light just for a few moments so you guys can see it. Okay, now this is the new oil that I'm using. Now hold on, let me make sure I got it right. Hold on, let me turn it around. 1, 2.
Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shantina, and here I like to do everything natural hair care. I love talking about hair care from the inside out. I'm all about ingredients in hair care. Do I use products, popular products? I do, but I like to pay attention to the actual ingredients in those products. And that's what brings me to this video today, because I have been getting a lot of comments and questions about the type of oils I like to use to stimulate my hair. Well, stimulate hair growth for my scalp. And I decided to pull out six of my favorite that I like to use, and I wanted to share them with you today. Alright, so the first on the list, and first let me say that these are in no particular order. I love all of them equally, and I tend to use them interchangeably, and I use them at different times. So I'm going to explain that to you. And okay, let's go ahead. The first one is Jamaican black castor oil, and I went online to pull up the benefits of each oil that I'm using, just so you can see it for yourself. And if you want to go and research it, just go to Google and you can research it for yourself. But I did want to go ahead and start off by letting you know I did find these benefits online, and you can find them also. Alright, so first, Jamaican black castor oil, also known as JBCO. So if you ever see JBCO, that's Jamaican black castor oil. Alright, so it says it works for all hair types. It will moisturize, thicken, strengthen, and rapidly increase hair growth. It increases blood flow to the scalp, supply valuable nutrients to hair, your hair follicles. Jamaican black castor oil will also prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. And this is the one that I use here. All of the oils that I use, I will put them in the description box just in case you want to check them out. All of these you can get on Amazon except for one. I got it at my beauty supply store, but this Jamaican black castor oil, you can definitely get it at your local beauty supply store, or click in the link below for the Amazon link. The next oil that I love, I have actually just been using this one for about 6 or 7 months, but I have seen dramatic change in like the health of my hair, and that is rosemary oil. So rosemary oil is good for reducing split ends, promotes hair growth, anti-fungi, nourishes the scalp, and conditions the hair. And the particular rosemary essential oil that I like to use is this one here. I like to use this one because it has the actual rosemary leaves up in there, or seeds up in there, as you can see. So this particular rosemary oil I could not find on Amazon, but I did get this one from my local beauty supply store. So what I'll do is I'll still link a link in the description box, an Amazon link in the description box, for something that's comparable or a dupe. Alright, so definitely check the description box for the rosemary also. So next on the list of my favorite go-to oils for natural hair care is good old coconut. coconut oil. Now, before I get into the benefits of coconut oil can be a hit or a miss for some people, because coconut oil is a protein-based oil. So if you are like protein sensitive, coconut oil may not be good for you. All right. Now, I'm not protein sensitive, even though I am low porosity. My hair still loves protein, so my hair loves coconut oil. However, my hair only loves coconut oil during the warmer months, like May, June, July, August, September. In the winter, cooler months, coconut oils tend to harden up, and it hardens up on your hair also, so that's why I don't like to use it in the winter time. However, if you mix coconut oil with like olive oil, it doesn't get hard, so it stays liquidy or in its oil form. So you can try it both ways, but I just wanted to give that quick disclaimer that coconut oil does not work for everybody. Okay. All right, so now let's get into the benefits of coconut oil. It says here that if you are seeking soft and lustrous hair, try reaching for a jar of organic coconut oil. It says here that it is suitable for nearly all hair types. So remember when I just said that everybody can't use coconut oil? As you see here, it says that it is suitable for nearly all hair types. This natural oil is packed with fatty acids that will help repair everyday damage, improve texture, and restore health and shine to your hair. So one big reason why I really love coconut oil is because it is one of the oils that is, the molecules are so small, it's easy for the oil to get into your hair shaft and bond the hair together. So that's a really, really good benefit of coconut oil. Now, just like I was talking about the coconut oil and said that olive oil is a good oil to mix in with it, olive oil is my next big oil that I love to use, whether I'm mixing it with something or even just using it on its own as a bonding agent to keep the moisture inside of my hair strands. Olive oil is really, really good for the nutrition of your hair. So it says here that olive oil promotes moisturized and healthy scalp, fights infections caused due to bacteria, and improves the blood circulation of your scalp. A better scalp blood circulation make your hair follicles stronger, thereby helping produce hair strands that are softer, healthier, and thicker. So this is why olive oil is always going to be in my arsenal. Now, the olive oil I use is just pretty much out of the grocery store, organic, cold pressed organic, full body flavor, extra virgin olive oil. I always get the extra virgin olive oil, and I try to get one that's in a darker container because it holds oils better if your oils are in a darker container. Now, also olive oil does contain proteins, antioxidants, and agents that contribute to healthy hair. Over time, treating your hair with olive oil may work to strengthen your hair follicles, increase the lifespan of each hair, and make it seem like your hair is growing more quicker. So pretty much it elongates the life of the hair, because our hair sheds 100 to 150 strands of hair a day, and olive oil help stop that shedding so your hair can actually have a longer shelf life, quote unquote, or should I say a longer scalp life. So anyway, that's another great benefit of olive oil and why it is never leaving my arsenal. Okay, so I have two more oils that I want to talk about. One is a DIY. I'll save that one for last. But this next one is a all-time favorite. It has been like a favorite of so many influencers here on YouTube that is on like a hair care journey or lengthening their hair. And that is this Wild Growth Hair Oil. Powerhouse oil. Okay, it's kind of thick and has a little stench to it, but the benefits that this has in it, drop a little peppermint oil in there and deal with it. Okay, deal with the smell, because it's definitely going to work for building your hair, for growing your hair and helping you have a healthy scalp, so you can have the environment to grow healthy hair. So a couple of oils that's in this is coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba, rice bran, cocoa butter, pumpkin seed, extract of mushroom, chickpea, lentil, let's see, sesame seed, and it has some essential oils in there also, like sage, eucalyptus, frankincense, grapefruit, lavender, and peppermint. The peppermint really don't come out in this oil, so you might want to add a couple of more drops to the bottle if you're gonna use this on your scalp. Now this last oil that I want to talk to you about, I'm going to go more in depth in another video about this oil, because I haven't actually used the oil, because I had to do a DIY for the oil, and it's you know, percolating and getting all married together so the oil can be as potent as it needs to be. So I'm going to do another video, get more into detail about this particular oil. But let me tell y'all, I have went ahead and made me, now it's in this, because you got to keep it in a dark place for 10 days. And so I covered it with this dark towel, and it's in my, under my sink. And I cover this for 10 days. I'm going to bring it out into the light just for a few moments so you guys can see it. Okay, now this is the new oil that I'm using. Now hold on, let me make sure I got it right. Hold on, let me turn it around. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is the famous, all-knowing fenugreek oil. Oh my gosh, I finally got my hands on some fenugreek seeds so I can make this fenugreek oil. Alright, so let me tell you some of the benefits of fenugreek oil. And like I said, I'm going to go into more detail, because even though I'm not using the oil, I still have been using this fenugreek in a different way, and I'm going to explain that in my next video. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you can know when I upload this next video, because you don't want to miss all the benefits that this fenugreek had. You do not want to miss it. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you some before and after pictures, because my hair right now has been up for about 2.5 weeks. I've already had to redo the top, okay, after 2 weeks. And that's with me using these oils and a little top secret that I'm doing with this fenugreek. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Alright, and if you made it this far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up for this video, because clearly you must like the information that I'm giving to you. Alright, so thumb up this video, subscribe, and also leave a comment below. I want to know if you are using any of these oils and if they are benefiting you or not. I would like to know, you know, what's going on with you and these oils. So let's get back to this fenugreek, because I'm going to make it really quick, okay? Really quick. So it says the benefits of fenugreek. The mucilage, I hope I'm saying that right, content replenish the hair and provides smoothness, allowing us to detangle our hair easily post every wash, okay? And also helps restore luster. In addition, fenugreek has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help with dandruff, scalp irritation, and this stuff reduces acne. Okay, like this is like a miracle seed. But you're going to stay tuned so I can tell you so much more about fenugreek in my next video. But I just wanted to get this video out for you guys, all about the oils that I use for my natural hair and what's stimulating my hair growth. And like I said earlier, I am going to leave all the oils that I use in the description box. All right, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. I love to hear from you. I love to answer all questions. I am constantly in my comment section answering questions. So if you have a question, or even a comment or even a suggestion, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section. And as always, please remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Everything you need, waves, curves,